It's almost been 2 hours. We hooked this little ray just in. We won't be keeping this fella though. You can do catch and cooks with rays, but whoa.
Yeah, fish on, guys. Please stay on.
There you go, guys. Check that out. Nice little cod. Awesome. Hey guys, what's going on? So we're hitting the coast again today. I know I said I'd be doing a catch and cook this week, but we're going to save that for next week, the eel tail. Let's get down the water and get these lines wet. Alright, big mullets out. Some of these fresh prawns. Beautiful. Alright, let's see what we can get, guys. Yep. Oh, we lost him, guys. No. No! Been here for over an hour now. Going on 2 hours, and we just hooked our first fish and it got off. Damn it, we keep losing them, guys. Not sure if it's mud crabs or what. It's definitely something out here. Oh, fish on, finally. It's like a stingray. Swimming straight towards us. Hey! Little stingray. Hold that tail. Alrighty, first catch, guys. It's almost been 2 hours. We hooked this little ray just in. We won't be keeping this fella though. You can do catch and cooks with rays, but whoa. Yeah, he's a bit small, guys. We'll let this little fella go. Laters, mate. Alright, super cool, guys. We're on the board now anyway. So hopefully one of these big rods go off soon. Gonna have to call it here. We've been down here for nearly 4 hours fishing in this spot, and we've got that one little ray. That's how it is though, sometimes fishing, you win some, you lose some. I'm gonna have to call it here, guys. I might stop on the way back in an estuary on the highway. We'll see how we go for time. If I do, I'll add it into this video. We're at that little estuary, guys, on the highway I was talking about. Just a nice little patch of water. It is brackish water, so should be all sorts in here. Hopefully we hook another fish instead of just that stingray. We'll see how we go, guys. Got 2-3 prawns left. This is one of the last ones, so we got to make something happen. Hopefully this cast. Right in the zone where I want it. Yeah, good bite straight up. Yeah, fish on, guys. Please stay on. Please stay on, bud. Yeah. What do we got? Swimming straight at us. Not putting up much of a fight. What do we got? Oh, nice little cod. He just went under a rock right in front of me, guys. Too sure on standing here. It's a sketch, man. Got you, boy. We survived, no croc attacks. Yeah. There we go. That hook out. There you go, guys. Check that out. Nice little cod. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just casting to the other side of the bank over there and just bang, bang, getting hit after hit after hit. Must just be heaps of these little fellas. That's really cool though, guys. At least I didn't just catch a stingray. We'll let this lad go. We're gonna have to do a bit of a chuck from up here because this is far north Queensland and you do not get close to this water. Massive crocodiles in there. So we'll flick this fella out. Away he goes, guys. Yeah, yeah. Awesome. Definitely worth stopping here. Alright, last mullet for the fishies. All yours, guys. Gonna have to call it here, guys. Really glad I ended up stopping at this estuary here. Caught that little cod, so that really paid off for me. At least it wasn't just a stingray. Expect to catch and cook next week. I was supposed to do it this week, but we're going to leave it for the following week. I felt like doing a bit of saltwater fishing today. Didn't do too well. We got a little stingray and that cod, which isn't too bad, I guess. All up, it was still a top day down here, guys. Always good to get out of the house and get outside. In saying all that though, I think that's going to be it for today. If you've enjoyed hanging out, smash the like button for me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Until next time.
Nah. We ain't eating that, man. We ain't eating that. Alright.